Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. And in math, I was just started simple and compound interest. Simple interest, you know that simple interest is equal to, I had already explained the formula, but once more, simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time in year upon 100. Suppose that time given in the month, given in day, in month given, so it is divided by 12, converting to the year. It is given in case, then divided by 365, convert into the year. From this you can calculate principal is equal to P is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. Suppose you want to calculate rate is equal to SI into 100, SI into 100 upon P into T. Principal into time, again time is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R, principal into rate. Rate always given in percentage, time always in year. So by using this formula, you can calculate the simple interest, and you know that amount is equal to principal plus SI, or SI is equal to amount minus principal. In first exercise 10.1, the question based only on the simple interest. I am going to explain few questions. You have to remember this formula, or you put whatever value given in same formula, you can find the value of unknown variable. Okay. 10.1, that are question based on the simple interest, that I am going to explain. You have to write all the formula in your fair copy. Every student have to write all the formula in your fair copy. See, question number first. Question number first given. Question number first one. Find the simple interest when principal given rupees 700, rate given 10%, time given 4 years. See that? Find the simple interest, principal given rupees 700, rate given 10%, and time given 4 years. Time given 4 years. Now, simple interest is equal to simple interest. First you mention the formula P into R into T by 100. Principal given rupees 700, rate 10%, time 4 years, divided by 100. 0 cancel. 7 4 28, rupees 280. That will be SI further. If the in question asking amount, the amount is equal to principal plus SI. But in question only find the simple interest. Next question, second one. Find the amount when principal is given rupees 7,150, rate 5%, time 2 integral 1 by 2 year. See that? Question number 2. Second one. Find the amount when principal given rupees 7,150, rate given 5%, time given 2 integral 1 by 2 years are 5 by 2. This is given in mixed fraction. You have to change it. Okay. Now SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Now principal is 7,150, rate 5%, time 5 by 2 upon 100. 10 cancel, 5 2 0. When you multiply, it will come 3,575. 3,575. 2 2 is 4 divided by 4. When you divide, it will come 8 9 3.75. That is a simple interest. But in question asking find the amount. Now amount is equal to principal plus SI. Principal is given 7,150 plus SI is 893.75. You add and your answer will come 8043.75 rupees. That is the amount. That is asking in question. Find the amount on that. Means this line you write here, okay? After writing this one. Now same question. All the question like same. There is no change. Only in some question find the rate, some question find the time, in which time, at what rate percent that money become this, okay, and in 2 year or 3 year are given here. So all the question based on only simple interest. See last question, 10th one. Rupees 500 amount to rupees 5,000 amount to rupees 6,000 in 5 years. What will rupees 8,000 amount to at the same rate of interest in 6 years? Same question given. Question number 10. Given principal given 5,000, principal given 5,000, rupees 5,000. Amount given, amount 6 rupees 6,000, 6,000, and time given 5 years. Time given 5 years. 5 years. See that first you calculate SI. In simple interest, amount minus principal. 6,000 minus 5,000, it will come rupees 1,000. See that in question time is given, SI given, principal given, rate is not given. You have to calculate first rate. Rate is equal to SI into 100 upon principal into time. See that SI is 1,000 rupees into 100 Principal 5,000 rupees. Time 5 years. See 1, 2, 3. 5, 5 years 25. 25 4 years. Rate is coming 4%. Now question is that what will rupees 8,000 amount to the same rate at now the principal will be T will be 8,000, rate will be same rate rupees, rate will be 4% rate and time is given 6 years. Time is given 6 years. Then what will be amount? First we calculate SI. P into R into P upon 100. Principal is given 8,000. Rate 4%. Time 6 years. Now it will be multiply and it will be 1,000 rupees, 1,920 maybe. Yeah, this 20 rupees. SI, this 6, 4 6 are 24, 24 multiplied by 80. That will come 1,920 rupees. That is SI. Now asking amount. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. Now principal you have 8,000 and SI is rupees 1,920. Now add this one 9,920 rupees. That will be your amount at this principal. Now this is the question of exercise 10.1. All the questions remaining. Only 6-7 questions are remaining. Same on the basis of that. If remember that in time is given in month, you have to change into the year. Time is given in days, you have to change in year. In month given, then you have to divide it by 12 because 1 year is called 12 months. If in days given, you have to divide the time by 365. So now this is the exercise 10.1. Next exercise I am going to explain about the formula. Now in your big book given, what is difference between simple interest and compound interest? Suppose that if you have given money to a person, 1,000 at any rate, okay? Suppose 1,000 you have given for 1 year, 1,000, suppose 10% rate you have given for 1 year upon 100. See, 100 rupees as an interest. For first year, compound interest and simple interest both will be same. For first year, compound interest and simple interest for the same principal will be same. But for second year, see that your amount become 1,100 rupees. A principal means this is your amount. For next year, that become your principal. Means whatever interest coming, you have to add in your principal. Okay, that will be amount. And for the next year, coming year, that will be principal for you. Given here, page number 103. Principal remain constant throughout in simple interest, but in compound interest, principal changing in every year. For given principal rate and time generally less than CI. Here for given principal rate and time it is more than SI. Means compound interest always will be more than simple interest except for first year. Okay. So that is difference. After that I will start a question based on the compound interest. Before that I will hope that you will solve the question exercise 10.1 that is based on simple interest. Thank you. Have a nice day.